Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can work in 1password to make it the best for you, for your team, and how you can work in it to achieve what you want. First things first, we have to create ourselves an account at 1password.com or log into our existing account, but I believe that you already are familiar with it. So straight away when we logged in, we are greeted with our dashboard or our workspace. So straight away, we can focus on the right sidebar. As you can see, it's my name with my profile. You can get an apps and so on and sign out. Also, we have a dashboard, which is this thing. People that we want to invite, but at the moment there's just me. Invitations that we sent, but we are only about to send it. So if you want to send an invite to our 1password group, we can invite by email, for example. So we click on there. Let's go with like this. You can make him a guest or team member and invite. Right now, we have one pending invite left. We can also go like that. As you can see, we sent 2 emails or 2 invites. We can go to groups. As you can see, in 1password, you have 3 groups: administrators, owners, and team members. Then there are vaults. We are about to make a new vault in a minute. Integrations. I already integrated Slack. As you can see, if you have a Slack account and you are also familiar and working in Slack, you can make this integration work pretty easily straight through 1password. And then there's a billing, but at the moment we are enjoying trial version for 14 days. And then there's the settings. You can manage basically anything, even Slack. So when we are here and we invited the people into our group, as you can see, as I said, 2 invites are already pending. We can go and we can create a shared vault. We have a suggestions or custom. You can pick a logo, but I believe that's not an issue, but yeah. Well, let's go with this vault logo. Vault name, mstone passwords, description, one pass tutorial. It's for administrators, and we can add it and create a vault. Now we created a vault for our passwords. We can go to view vault, and as you can see, there's more options like import data, more options. For example, we can delete it, and it's for owners and administrators. So any administrator from those invited guys that I invited can simply turn into administrator and be part of mstone passwords vault. But let's go and view the vault. We have all items here. When we click on the middle of our screen, on the bottom part, there's this plus button, and we can pick what we actually want to add in our vault. For example, logins, secure note, credit card numbers, and so on and so on and so on. Favorites, there's a watchtower for vulnerable passwords, and this graph will show you overall password strength. For example, compromised websites, reused passwords, and so on and so on. So if they don't really want you to use the same password on multiple websites. Weak passwords, unsecured 2-factor authentications, expiring, and so on. And then we can go to categories. For credit cards, you can just add a credit card, identity, secure notes, and also logins. But let's go to all items and let's save our first password. So go for plus, and we can go for a login, for example. Title, let's go for our Zapier account, like this. Username, password, one moment. Like this, and you can actually pick if you want to use and generate new passwords for that. You don't actually have to remember them because you will be using them automatically on this computer. So you can add words. Barracks, there is an ignore prepay. There can be digits, or doesn't have to be, or also symbols. But let's go with a normal one. So I'm gonna address the one that I have there. Website. Like this. Label, notes, and tags, and we can press save. As you can see, the strength of our password is not actually very strong, but that we don't care at the moment about it. Next thing, if we want to log in straight away to our Zapier account, we need a password manager at Chrome Web Store. So we can add it to the Chrome. We can add the extension. Now we have to sign in. Mstone password. We are going to use master password. And our passwords are ready to go. As you can see, if we click on the top right corner of our screen, there's one password manager. So you can watch the YouTube video and so on. So straight away, we have first item. We can click to our vault, mstore passwords, view vault, and we can go to Zapier.com. And now, as you can see, straight away we have this little icon when are we logging in, and there's a Zapier straight through my vault. We hit continue, and we are in our integration app. So it's very, very easy to maintain. I strongly advise you, when you are creating your account, you get something that's called emergency kit, and I strongly advise you to download it. This is our emergency kit, and if your account get hacked, save this one, because this secret key will be the only way that you can actually retrieve your password or retrieve all your information at 1password. Now we can also go and add, for example, credit card. So as you can see, we can go with MasterCard, cardholder name, type MasterCard, for example, number, verification number, expiry date, and so on and so on. So next time when you'll be ordering something through internet, you can just use all those informations and you won't ever need the pick it from your bag or from wherever. You don't have to go for your credit card and get it. So that's very useful. For example, okay, we can cancel it, and we can go with passwords. Now, those passwords are just passwords, not the logins. So basically, if you want to add a password from your, for example, I don't know, Wi-Fi, but I believe there's a Wi-Fi option as well, or a virus router. You just get there and you can really like save your password through 1password, and you'll be the only one with entry. Or you can set up your 1password for your family, and when you send all those invitations and they accept it, they can just pick into the passwords that you send them. So it's a very useful way how you can manage your privacy, even in your team, in your family, with your friends, and so on and so on. So yeah, that's about 1password. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.